Monday, I am going to the library. Yay!
बसे इसका उसका ना इसका है जाने कितना है किसका है
Guys, I'm back home early a little क्योंकि मेरे लाइब्रेरी में थोड़ा साउंड हो रहा था. पसीना देख रहे हैं आप, इतना पसीना हो रखा है मुझे. बट हाँ, मैंने काफ़ी सारे टास्क्स कर लिए हैं, काफ़ी सारे बच्चे भी हैं एक्चुअली, बट मेरा मन नहीं है. सो आई एम थिंकिंग ऑफ रिकॉर्डिंग सम सॉन्ग्स नाउ. अभी बहुत लेट नहीं हुआ है, अराउंड 7 हो रहा है. सो या
अगर ये उसको भी हुआ है फिर भी मुझको ज्यादा हुआ इश्क वाला
let me show you something. Look at it. This playlist. तुझे तेरी दफा कोई पागल हुआ. Damn, yeah, so true, honestly. Like, I have so many tasks. Like, the first thing I want to do right now is schedule all of this and also make my journal, because that's pretty important right now. Then I have to complete my backlogs of physics, bio, and chemistry. I think scheduling everything. I can imagine it like I thinking of making a calendar kind of thing on which I can literally write everything that on this date I need to do this, on that date I need to do that. and plan something. I have actually, I told you that I have a future project I'm thinking upon working. So currently I can't work on that because of these tasks, my tests and my syllabus, all that. So I'm thinking firstly completing this part so that my backlogs are over, so that I can get time to work on that project. So yeah. Yeah. That after half an hour of dinner, 8 to 8:30, I would get time around half an hour till 9, because after 9 I'm thinking of going to sleep, but also I have a second brain which is saying that I should pull an all-nighter to get some work done. So what would be a better option? खामोशियाँ आवाज़ है, तुम सुनने तो आओ कभी, छूकर तुम्हें खिल जाएंगी, घर इनको बुलाओ कभी, बेकरार है बात करने को, कह दो इनको ज़रा, खामोशियाँ तेरी मेरी खामोशियाँ. This is black coffee. Like, look at it. It looks completely black, and I have to drink it. Like, I'm even scared to drink. Good morning, guys. I'm going to the library. I woke up early. I completed some of my backlogs, like one lecture of physics. I'm done with the lunch. I'm came to library to study. Yes, I came out for the break, a little break. I am done with my physics ka backlog, like it's completed. From tomorrow I'm going to do live class of physics. And zoology का एक कल complete हो जाएगा zoology का भी. And I would left with chemistry. And chemistry backlog is like never ending. So yeah. 5:50. Don't look at the clock. खराब हो गई guys. सेल खत्म हो गया उसका. Okay. Hi guys. Good morning. It's I guess Friday, 7th of August. And I woke up early, not so early, around 4:30ish. I did my stretching and made some, of course, coffee, my survival tactic. And right now I'm journaling actually. And after that I will see my schedule, what's done and what I need to postpone. And after that we will get working. Also, I have to complete zoology backlog, which I will complete today because it's not much. I have done all the lectures on structural organization. I have to make notes of it. Last 2 lectures के notes बचे हैं. And उसके बाद मुझे breathing का 2 lecture करना है. I have 2 lectures of breathing and then 1 lecture for today of breathing, like live one. So let's see what we can get done today. Okay. Done with physics live class, going back to the library. Now I will complete my zoology का backlog basically. धूप तो काफ़ी तेज़ है. हाँ, मेरा zoology का backlog हो गया है. अब मेरा आज वाला लेक्चर है. मैंने नोट्स नहीं बनाए हैं, मुझे नोट्स कंप्लीट करना है, तो वो तो मैं लाइक वाइब करते हुए, सॉन्ग सुनते हुए कर ही लूँगी. So, yeah. done with today's study session, guys. Bye bye. It's already 8:30. To the library. During I'm done with the lunch. I'm going to do my botany ki live class, and after that we will see what we are going to do next. Hi guys. So today is Saturday and I just came home. No, around 15 minutes ago I came home around 7 p.m. Yeah, I came a little early than usual because mom called me. I was completing extra lecture of botany, then mom called me that she bought something to eat. So I just came home to eat that and I came home like literally that अब तो नहीं जाना है, अब 1 घंटे के लिए कौन जाएगा, मेरा तो हो गया आज के दिन का। गाइस देख रहे हैं कितना स्ट्रगल है, गर्मी लग रही है मुझे बट मैं पंखा नहीं चला सकती वरना आवाज़ नहीं आएगी वीडियो में। दुख गाइस, गरीबी, माइक नहीं है। उसके बाद ये दिस वीक वॉज प्रिटी गुड ऑनेस्टली, काफ़ी अच्छा हफ्ता था, मैं काफ़ी प्रोडक्टिव रही। And on Monday, on Tuesday, I did all my classes. I tried to finish backlogs, and on Wednesday, I just got done with everything. I didn't went to the library. I didn't study much. I rested because I was feeling pretty exhausted. So I rested on that day. On that day at evening, I made my schedule and I sang so many songs, just recorded it for future because on 16th August, I have my real test. Like, I have to go offline to give that test. And I'm pretty scared because I don't know how to give test in CBT mode because it's my first time. And on Thursday, Friday, and Saturday, on these 3 days, it was a hectic schedule. I was completing my backlogs and I was doing my live classes. Yeah, that was all about my week. On tomorrow, Sunday, I have to go and meet my friends. I will pretty enjoy it. Some people think that I am pretty motivated kind of person, that I study. I like literally go 12 hours in the library. I spend that there studying for 8 to 10 hours on a daily basis. But guys, I'm not really motivated to do that. There's just a feeling that you would have listened that quote which says nobody believes in you. You lost again and again and again, but you're still looking at your dreams, reviewing it every day, and saying it to yourself that it's not over until I win. And that quote really hits harder than it looks. Like one of the most motivating thing. There is something like I feel like the urge to be the best, be the first multi-billionaire, to have infinite money in my entire bloodline. That just motivates me like too much. So that is what it is. And if you guys are not motivating, or if you guys are feeling demotivated, don't want to study, then please just think of your dream. Like Why have you even chose that? Why do you even are studying? Like, find the why, the reason you are doing all of these. You are struggling every day. And honestly, people think that taking rest means you are not motivated, you are not studying. Just this is not true. Taking rest is also productive. So just take the rest. Whenever you need, take the rest. इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि आप प्रोकेस्टिनेट करोगे. So yeah, there's a difference between taking rest and procrastinating. Okay? Procrastination causes looping over and just throws you into a slump. But when we talk about rest, rest just makes you more productive. It gives you the energy you need the next day. And it helps you to be pretty motivated also. So yeah, be motivated, take the breaks, take the rest when you need it, and keep working on your dreams, because that is what's the most important thing. Okay, so yeah. And also I just forgot what I wanted to say. I just forgot. So okay, that's fine. Also, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my video. Okay, if you haven't subscribed it yet, what are you doing? Like, what are you doing? Go and subscribe it right now. Okay, bye bye. Take care. It's around 5, not exactly 5, it's 4:50. I woke up around 4. The plan right now is to journal, and then I will probably do my test analysis, because I haven't done it yet, because I was busy the whole week. So yeah, today also I'm going out to meet my friend.
Keep it low key, keep it softly spoken, with no strings tying you to me. I'm happy in your company with no emotion, cause my love deserves to be free. I never wanna look at a house in the garden, I never wanna lock you down. I know you're not mine, it's just my turn, but we can still have fun for now. हमें तुमसे मोहब्बत हुई है ओ जाने your message received.
Wanna go back to her. Feeling bad. बहुत अच्छा लगा मिलके, वापस जाने का मन कर रहा है उसके पास. कुछ नहीं कर सकता. I love you, my bestie.